So we going in, big boy?
We're going in, big boy. Hey, you gotta give me a warning.
Yeah, we're sticking it in. We need to go this way. Up.
Up, over. Got that? Wow.
Jimmy's doing it special. All right. Let me go in.
A little bit more. I got this part.
Okay, I'm trying to drive it and film at the same time. That's fun.
Well, why don't you hold on a second and finish getting my hands clean, and I will film while you guys work.
Typical Scotty.
Typical Scotty.
Well, I am the ship manager.
Shit manager?
So, I'm still getting hats made. And you know what to see, there's off classics in the front. To have the 17 on the side.
Right.
And then I'm gonna put ship manager in the back.
And the bitch about it is, I'll still wear it. I'll wear it like a son of a bitch.
And you know what's even better? Flat bills all the way around.
Oh, you fuck.
West Coast is the best coast!
Coast.
Not really. I'd rather have East Coast beer.
Okay.
Gotta go down a little.
You gotta go down a little.
Okay, somebody give me something here.
A little something, something.
Yeah.
A little something, something.
Little something, something.
A little something, something.
Yeah. Do you want to gently go down? Scotty, don't get excited.
I didn't say one word.
You can't go down
No,
too
did
far.
I? Did I say one word?
You can't go down too far, though.
No.
Loving an elevator.
Ready?
Yeah. Up when you
Go ahead, Bernsey.
Going down, down, down. Going down, down, down. Okay, now you gotta go stick it in, big boy.
Stop. Not yet, not yet. Here,
Here,
let's do this. Just be on the safe side. Okay, Bernsey, go ahead and drop it.
Oh, I'm going back a little bit.
Nope, drop it more. You're gonna crush his hands. Drop it more.
No, he's good. I'm the way I'm holding it. It's the way I'm holding it. So
It's
it
Jimmy. Do we really care about his
yes,
hands?
I care about everybody. You know that. And
We're good.
touch more, touch more, touch more. Good. Stop. Okay, now pull down. Really good. Push in. Down. Stop.
Down.
Down. Stop.
In the name
Pull
of
it down.
love.
Pull it down. Don't worry about anything else. You just pull down. Pull down. Bernsey in. Stop. Down.
We can go down a lot, actually.
Yep. Take it down as much as we can.
And
a little bit more.
right
Stop
there.
right there. Pull down really good. I mean, really good.
Like that?
Yep.
Yep. Now, Bernsey, go down.
You got to keep pulling it down. You got to keep it down.
But he can't go too far. He's got to get over the cross member.
Okay, we'll get over the cross member.
No,
That's
I
not a
can-
problem.
Get around it.
Coming down.
Now, that throttle linkage, be careful, boys. That's got to go up and out of the way.
Stop.
Stop. That's just got to snake past the header. I think you're going to be okay.
Well, the cool part is we can go down a little bit more.
Yeah. You
Okay,
can
go
sneak
down.
in now.
You guys can go down a lot.
Yeah, we can start sneaking it in.
Yeah.
Well, I've got to watch this, so we're going to have to go over to that side a little bit.
Like I'm pulling it this way.
Yep. Good, Jimmy. Perfect.
Going down a little bit more.
Go ahead. Right, let me get to here so I don't crush my fingers.
Okay, I'm gonna go back.
Yeah, go ahead.
Ready?
Go ahead.
Yeah.
Nice and easy. And
Okay.
What are we hitting?
Nothing yet.
you're good. You're good.
I'm fine.
We got to get Jimmy over the cross member, right? You're over?
Okay, I'm going down.
Okay, he's going down, Jimmy.
You didn't need those fingers, did you?
No, I got spares.
He's got no reason to be fingering anything right now. He's like, damn it, they're right.
Okay, watch the shift, those shift linkages. They're on the driver's side.
Scotty, you got that, buddy?
Now it's got to go above the header or below the header.
Above.
Okay. Okay, so we definitely need to go down, Burnsy.
Yeah.
Like a lot.
Yeah, but that shift link is just gonna hit the ground. Right by your head.
Oh yeah, you gotta fiddle with that.
There you go.
Jimmy boy.
Oh, hold on.
Hold
Okay.
on.
Are they supposed to go underneath that frame?
They go
it?
over the cross member.
All right, I need.
We gotta
let's
go
move
back
that
up.
way a little bit more.
Which
So
way?
you need to bring it back some.
Yeah.
Yeah, but we got
Towards the
room.
front?
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's fine. Just pull it towards you, Burnsy, a little bit. Nice and easy. Nice and easy.
Okay.
A little bit more.
Just a hair more. There we go. There it is. I saw
Okay.
it.
Okay, are you sure, Jimmy? Mm-hmm. Okay.
Ready, set, go. Going back.
Ready,
Back.
go.
Backing down.
Backing down,
Down.
baby. Backing
Do it
down.
Going down.
Yep,
Going
going
down.
down.
Watch your fingers and toes.
Fingers and toes.
Yep.
Where we at?
Keep going.
Keep going, Burnsy. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Hey.
Go back. Go back.
Back.
Not a couple inches. Keep going. Keep going. Keep
Oh,
going.
hold
All
on. There we go.
You okay?
Yep, I'm trying to move shit around.
right, stop. Stop.
Burnsy, go
Go
straight
down.
down.
Straight down.
Check the other side, Burnsy. How's that look?
I
on
mean,
the-
we're spot on for this mount.
this pad we're on. How are we on that side?
Like an inch or two off, but
Which
might
way?
Change.
Well, when we go
Towards
down,
you
it'll.
guys.
Go ahead.
Towards you
go.
guys.
Oh no, let's go down.
And I need to go back.
You're gonna line up here, so let's get as far as we
Oh,
can.
okay, the tail shaft might need a
Are you good, Jimmy?
Jimmy needs to go to the driver's side.
faster side. Oh, this side's in.
All right, go down.
Straight
Go
down.
down.
Go down. Oh, we're on the
on.
pads. It's
Woo!
in. It's in.
What?
It's
No,
in.
it just caught me off guard because I felt.
Whoa,
that you
whoa,
were-
stop,
okay?
stop. Burnsy.
You're okay?
Yeah.
You
No,
sure? No issues?
No.
Got all
Okay.
your
Just was
fingers
going
still?
down, I felt it.
Fingers, toes, penis, and hose.
We're good.
Okay.
He doesn't get hosed. Come on now.
Holy shit.
It's
fuck.
in.
That's in.
All right, now can you get out from underneath there?
Because then we need to get the trans mount stuff on it, but we can just lift it up and slide it in.
Yeah.
But it's in.
All right, nice job.
That was quick.
Nice
7
job,
minutes
Jimmy.
and 20 seconds.
Nice.
Hey,
All right, no,
Jimmy.
hold on, you're all yeah.
Yeah,
no,
you're
I'm good.
filthy.
I'm
Stay
good.
the hell away from us.
Yeah, I'll give you a high five.
Good
High
job.
five.
We did it. All right.
Scotty left us.